Hello, my friends. It is Wednesday today, which means it is problem solving day, and that Miss Schultz has come up with a fun problem for us to solve together. So today you're going to need your representing chart that we've been working with. Hopefully by now you are experts on it. I feel that you are. And on the back of your representing chart, or on the front, depending on how you've got it in your packet, are the story problems. Remember, parents, if these ones are a little bit difficult, go ahead and make up your own. We want to make sure that we are practicing 5 story problems. So the 4 that are on the sheet plus 1 more. So I would like you to do 5 story problems today. So my very fun problem that I have for you involves these. I'm going to tip the camera down so you can see what they are. Unfortunately, you cannot see all of them in the camera, but there are cars sitting in front of me. Some of them are big, and some of them are little, more like a helicopter, but it's what was in the closet when I was here. So, I know you can't read the words, and that's okay. I'm going to read the problem to you. We have our problem back here. We're going to use our problem solving skills to solve the problem. So our problem solving problem says, Velociraptor is finding all of his toy cars from behind the TV. When I babysit Velociraptor and Triceratops, he likes to hide his cars from his little sister so she cannot play with them. So he lines them all up like I did here on the table, and he pushes them back behind my TV. And they will stay there until he decides he wants to play with them, and then he crawls under there and gets them all, and we start the process all over again because his little sister is not allowed to have them according to Velociraptor. So he has 13 cars in my house that he has to find that are behind the TV, and he's found 8 of them. So the question is, how many more does he have left to find? So I have my 13 cars here, and we're going to say that he found 8 of them. So we're going to put 8 of them off to the side because they have been found. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to think about how many are left here still to find. So if I look at my cars, I can count. There was 13. I found 8 of them. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them would be left. Now, I am not going to draw cars on the board. I'm going to draw blobs because it takes a long time to draw 13 cars. It doesn't take so much time to draw 13 blobs. So on your whiteboard, if you're doing this with me, or if you're just watching, that's okay too. Draw 13 blobs. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I'll put number 13 over here. 13 blobs. So we know that they have found 8 of them. He has found 8 of them. So I'm going to put an F on them instead of crossing them off because they've been found. If you want to put an X on them because they've been found, that's okay too. So I'm going to say this one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is where we're supposed to stop. I was going to keep going. I was going to do 13. So we found 8 of them, and we can count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I turn around and realize that you're having a really hard time seeing the one. So let's see if I bring it closer. Can you see my drawing? There we go. Now, if I was going to make my equation, I'm going to switch colors to make it a little bit easier for you. We know that he had 13 cars, and we found 8 of them. And we know that there are 5 cars that are left. So 13 take away 8 equals 5. So remember today when you're practicing, you have problems here on the back. If they are too difficult, go ahead and make up your own, and we are going to practice 5 problem-solving problems today. I will see you tomorrow. I believe Thursday is game day. I know you look forward to it every week. We'll see you then.